What's up, YouTube? So today is a self-care kind of day. I woke up feeling really anxious today. Going through some things, not too serious. I just have to prioritize myself right now though, because we can't have this. We can't have this anxiety creeping up on us. So I'm gonna just jump in a shower. I did some like cleaning up around the house. I feel like cleaning is kind of therapeutic, not gonna lie. It's very therapeutic, especially if you have a cluttered space. I'm gonna jump in the shower. I also did have my smoothie and I did have my vitamins, so I'm making sure to put all the good stuff in my body. I did have some coffee, which I have been on a hiatus from coffee. I'm sweating. I did have some coffee, which I did have a hiatus from coffee, but I had a migraine since yesterday. It's been a tough week, okay? Women are freaking superheroes. Just know that. I had to have some like stronger caffeine for this headache, and finally it's wiped out. Thank God. I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash my hair, and y'all see these eyebrows gotta get done. We're gonna do some shaving. We're gonna have a little spa day. Sometimes this get carried over into the next day, not gonna lie, but let's just get started. All right, y'all, so I just took my little everything shower. I was going to shave my face, but I don't know, I got tired after my shower, so I think I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit and then figure it out. As I said, this might go on till tomorrow because sometimes I have to take some breaks because it takes a lot of work. But it's been a couple days, you guys. Still haven't finished my little self-care routine, but I think the everything shower did it for me that day. Do gotta get back to it because these eyebrows are yelling for help at this point. I'm working from my bed today, which is one of the luxuries in working from home. Editing a bunch of content and answering emails and just doing everything I gotta be doing. And I just had to fill out some medical forms because I have to get an MRI on Thursday of this week. Gotten one before. I don't like it. I don't think there's anybody that probably likes it. It just sucks, but it has to get done. And I just realized I have to remove all jewelry, right? Which is very tedious for me anyway. I'm gonna take my hair out because I look like a little boy right now. It's very tedious for me because I have like this one here, then my nose piercing. Like for some reason, it gives me a hard time to put it back in, even if I don't have it out for a long time. But that's about it. I haven't even been wearing my other piercings, whatever. But guess what I have to take off? This baby right here. I've had this on for like 2 years now, or it's gonna be 2 years in December. It's like one of those permanent bracelet things, and I'm so used to it that I'm actually really sad now that I realize I have to take it off. Not happy about that. I got it actually at a Benefit Cosmetics. They had like a gifting suite and I got it done there. And I guess since it's my birthday month, I could treat myself to another one and then just start over again. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys since I still haven't continued this vlog, but I am here and I'm editing. And yeah, that's it for today, at least for right now. I'll check in with y'all later. Good morning, y'all. This is from the iron. It'll dry up. Just letting y'all know. I still look kind of crazy, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. My self-care day still has not happened. Well, has not finished. I'm gonna have to just do everything all over again anyway. It's the morning of my MRI, so I'm getting ready for that. I'm really not happy about it, but I'm just trying not to freak out. I'm not freaking out. That's the thing. I'm not freaking out, but the thing about it is that you have to wait so long for results, and so I didn't really open up ever much about what happened in 2021, but I just, expressed plenty of times that it was a really tough year. And in 2021, like I was going through these kinds of things, like some health things that I had to take care of. Nothing like too pressing, but it was still really stressful. So this is reminiscent of that. And so I feel it's like I feel like it was traumatic in some ways. So like now I'm feeling like I'm there again. And that's what's kind of like stressing me out more so. And I just like, if you guys ever got an MRI, you'll understand. It's just not fun. Like, yeah, you just lay there, but like you just feel so exposed. It doesn't matter what you wear. Obviously you're gonna wear a gown, but like when you look at the pictures after, like they see everything. Like everything. So it's just an uncomfortable process. And then just like, I don't think I'm claustrophobic, but in that same breath, I don't really like being in closed spaces like that. So I just didn't like that process and it wasn't fun. And like you have to stay super still and it's like 20 something minutes. It was just a lot, guys. I'm not looking forward to it, but I am looking forward to getting it over with. And then after this, it's like just freaking waiting for results for hopefully not too long. I'm just gonna do a straight back ponytail. I don't care. It's so gloomy. It's been raining the past couple of days, so I really do not care. I'm probably gonna wear a hat. Obviously, I'm gonna have to take it off in there, but I'm gonna probably wear a hat. Also, my bracelet is gone. It was nothing, right? It's nothing, but like still, I had it for like 2 years. It was a part of me at this point. It felt a little more frustrating than anything else. I am thinking my godmom is coming with me to my appointment. I could have went by myself, but I wanted some distraction. So if somebody's like talking to me and stuff and like whatever, it kind of just makes the process go a little faster. I mean, she can't talk to me while I'm in the actual exam room, but I mean like before and after, you know what I mean? Just a little distraction. It just helps to have somebody there. So she's coming with me. So let's see what happens like after, but I do have to pick up packages, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go pick up some packages. I still have some PR boxes I haven't even like, I opened them, but I didn't like show them or reveal them or whatever. And then I have some that I have to pick up. So I'm gonna do that after. And depending on what happens after, if I do get home at a reasonable time where I don't have to start cooking dinner and all that stuff, then I'm going to actually continue my self-care because yeah, these eyebrows are screaming. And so is this peach fuzz. I need help, but I think I'm gonna continue it when I get back today. If not for sure tomorrow, and tomorrow's Friday, so it'll probably feel a little bit better to even do that. I don't think I have plans this weekend, but still, I have to take care of myself and like groom myself. You know what I mean? I ain't doing nothing to this hair. It's staying just the way it is. Just let it be free. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I am back. It is now Friday. I had my MRI yesterday. It went well. Quick little story time. If you guys don't know about MRIs, just a quick little something. They either give you contrast or they don't. And contrast is just a liquid that you have to drink so that like you can basically become like see-through, like they can see clearer. Well, you could drink it or they could administer it through like IV, basically, right? So for me, I can't get that. At least like I was told when I had to get my last MRI that I couldn't get that because, or they just weren't comfortable giving me contrast because I'm allergic. I had an allergic reaction, like a really bad allergic reaction to penicillin. Like I nearly died when I was like 7. So they're not like comfortable giving me that, right? So anywho, they called me to like make sure that I couldn't get that and like make sure that my doctor was okay if I don't get that. So I had to go through like a whole little something, right? And I got it updated and you know my doctor was like, whatever, you don't have to get it because it's not even like a anywho. So anyway, going to the MRI and the man who was facilitating the test was like, okay, whatever, like, you know, I went into that too. By the way, I got a lot more anxious than I remember the first time. I think I forgot you were just really closed in, but I just relaxed as best as I could and then it was done quick. I remember it was like, whoa, this was fast. Anyway, lo and behold, the guy, he's like, oh, he like he takes like the blanket off of my hand or on my arm, whatever was like wrapped around there, I think the gown, and he's like making sure he can see my veins, and he's like, okay, so I'm gonna admit it. So I was like, no because originally I had the referral say with and without, so he was ready to just listen to that one. I was like, no, I have the updated referral, I cannot get contrast. And he was like, why? Did you get an allergic? And he was also from another country, so yeah, it was a little bit of a language barrier. But I was like, he's like, why? Did you have a reaction before it's a contrast? I was like, no, penicillin, but you know, I was advised not to get contrast just in case. And he was like, oh, penicillin? He's like, that should be fine. And I'm like, no, I don't want contrast. And then he went and got another lady, and the lady was like, oh, you have to get contrast because it was ordered. And I was like, I'm not getting that. I'm not getting it. I have an updated referral, but it was on my phone. I didn't have my phone at the time because obviously you can't have any electronics in the room. And she was like, okay. And then they both walked out, and the guy's like, he actually was taking off the headphones and earplugs and everything and taking everything. I was like, okay, I guess that was it. And she came back with a form and was like, can you sign here please, because I have to note that you denied contrast, you refused it or whatever. I was like, okay, all right. They're over here trying to kill me. I'm literally telling you it was advised for me not to get this. I have an updated referral from my doctor, and you're still trying to like tell me I have to get contrast. Yeah, no. So if you ever had a reaction before to, it's called an anaphylactic, don't quote me. I think it's called an anaphylactic reaction, basically a huge allergy reaction to like any medicine. It's just not advised for you to get contrast unless you're like, okay, fuck, let me not curse on YouTube. Let me just try it and see if I have one, but I just refuse to do that. Because I do remember having the allergic reaction when I was 7, and that was really traumatizing. I can have a whole nother story time of how I almost died when I was 7 if you guys want that story time, but I just know I don't want to do that again. Anywho, it's Friday. I went to the gym today, so I feel really good. I also ate some sushi, so I feel even better. I had some tea, I just took my shower, and now I'm about to finally give myself some TLC. I'm gonna shave my face and I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and that's it. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So wait, let's do it. Wait, I have to show you guys the cutest package that I received yesterday. I'll have a clip somewhere here because I forgot to film it for you guys, but I did film it for my short film content. I got the cutest package from Too Faced and I was so happy. If you guys don't know, I've always been like a huge sports fan. Unfortunately, I haven't played sports as much as I actually enjoy it, but I grew up watching sports with my grandma, my uncle, my cousins. Sports has always been a part of me. So basketball, tennis, and baseball have always been a huge thing for me, and football. But anywho, I got this package from Too Faced. Let me show y'all. I was squealing. I might actually put my raw reaction somewhere because I was squealing. Like, I get a lot of packages, you guys, and I don't know if you guys believe me when I say I truly get excited every PR package because I just appreciate it. But when I get something cute like this, I get extra excited. So I got my own tennis racket, and it's branded by Too Faced, and I also got my own tennis balls, and this was to promote their new Born This Way foundation. So they sent me a couple of shades, and they're flexible finish setting powder, and I don't think I'm gonna try this today. I am supposed to I'm going out with my fiance to eat, and I may wear makeup, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm gonna give this a shot today, but we'll see. But I'm just so grateful that I got such a cute PR package from them because I was squealing. I was happy. I just wanted to show you guys because I was happy. But yeah, now let's for real get on with this because it's been a week, Kendra. Like, get it together. So I'm gonna start off by shaving my face, and I'm using the Echo Fabulous Calming Face Oil. Look at this peach fuzz, y'all. Oh my god, and I got a little breakout. Have not been doing what I'm supposed to be doing for myself, for my skin, but that's all good. I am happy I let my eyebrows grow out though, because they're gonna look so good now that I do them. I'm gonna feel like a brand new person. It's like equivalent to when a guy wolfs and then finally gets a haircut. Yeah, that feeling. I just did my eyebrows, I just shaved my face. I already look so much brighter. I feel like we're gonna do a face mask, and this one is from Bubble. It's called Come Clean, and it's a clay mask. I feel like because I've been neglecting myself a little bit, just like this like physical self-care, I guess, even though I went to the gym and I was trying to work out and everything, I was still doing like mental self-care, you know? I just neglect the physical self-care. But anywho, we're gonna do this so it makes up for it. And hope that, you know, it does a little something, a little extra something. And I love Bubble. It's so clean. So clean. So fresh and so clean. Can I help myself? Whew, that already feels so much better. All right, I'll leave this on for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll be back when I'm all done. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I just got ready because we're gonna go out to eat. It's a dress down kind of day because it is like we're getting like hurricane whatever, some remnants of that. I'm closing out the vlog here. I know it was a little bit of a chaotic, not much going on, I guess, kind of vlog, but that was my kind of week. So hopefully the next one is better, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.